Nokia 9300 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: the SRT6, a slotted screwdriver, Torx Plus driver size 6, metal tweezers, a dental pick, and the DC jack. Always protect the window and LCD with a plastic film. Unlock and remove the battery cover assembly. Open the A cover assembly beginning from the bottom. Protect the inner side of the LCD with a plastic film. Remove the key mat. Unscrew the 4 Torx screws in the order shown. The screws cannot be reused. Always use new screws. Unlock the flap with the dental pick. Carefully remove the UI shield assembly. Protect the LCD with plastic film. Lift out the power key with tweezers. Push out the earpiece with the SRT6. Open the LCD flex connector with the SRT6. Then, use the SRT6 and carefully lift up and disconnect the UI flex. Open the unit and release one side of the module by levering it up with the SRT6. Press down slightly on the C cover assembly and release the plastic locking clip with the slotted screwdriver. Press down on the back of the LCD to separate the two halves. Push out the command buttons. Carefully separate the QWERTY keypad assembly from the adhesive securing it. Release all clips and lift it off. Unscrew the 8 Torx screws in the order shown. Remove the screws with tweezers. Always use new screws for reassembly. Pay attention to the rubber sealing plug. Use the DC plug to lift out the DC jack. Remove the microphone with the dental pick. Pay attention to the spring contacts of the IHF speaker. Use the tweezers to unplug the coax connector. And then remove the antenna. Carefully disconnect the flex connector with the SRT6 and release the flex foil. Unscrew and remove the hinge screw. Separate the two parts, paying attention to the flex foil. The following procedure is for levels 3 and 4 only. Carefully release the flex connector with the SRT6. Unscrew and remove the securing screw. This screw is not reusable. Swing the PWB over and pull it away from the flex foil. The disassembly is now complete.